Let's talk about gaming chairs and office chairs. Is there really any magic to gaming chairs, or are they a waste of money? Let's find out. Hey guys, Tiago here with Classical Technology. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today, we're going to talk about gaming chairs. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment below with the chair you're currently using and whatever else you may be thinking of getting. I'm really interested to know. So first, are gaming chairs a waste of money? Some people would make you say yes and just get a good office chair. I've had some mixed experiences with nice office chairs as well as some gaming chairs. So I'll tell you guys about my experience. First, I do have the Herman Miller Aeron, which is, it's a really famous office chair, a task chair, basically. It's for doing work and kind of staying in a sort of ergonomic position. For my body, I never thought it was really too comfortable. I do have the C version, which is a little bit bigger. For some reason, it would always give me random like back pains and even pain on my thighs because the little plastics sort of, they go up against your thigh a little bit. So I never found it the most ergonomic and comfortable for me, even though a lot of people rave about it. Now, the build quality is insanely good. If anything breaks, you can always change like, a cylinder or something like that. And aesthetically, it does look really awesome. It looks very sleek and professional. I was just never able to get comfortable in it. That's what prompted me to sort of search for a gaming chair and see if there's one that's, not too bad in price and that would be comfortable and a really good build quality. The one I came upon is the Maingear Forma. It's in fact the first gaming chair that I've tried, and it's super comfortable. It has the sort of like little pillow headrest. It has a little pillow lumbar support. It has more than enough space when you're sitting down. I really thought it was exceptionally comfortable compared to the Herman Miller Aeron. Of course, the Herman Miller is built differently. It is a really expensive chair. I actually bought mine used. I think I picked it up on Craigslist and it was like $300 or something. So it didn't break the bank. And that's what I suggest you guys do. You can search on Craigslist. There are so many good deals on these Herman Miller Aerons. You can get them from like $200 to $300 for like a nice copy that's in pretty good condition because so many professional offices use these and sometimes they'll buy new chairs and turn them around and they last a long time. Now the gaming chair that I got was around $350 and it really fit me well and I really liked it. Another chair that I tried, which is sort of a more budget chair, is the Ikea Markus chair. Now this one, it feels okay. Like I also couldn't get too comfortable in it. I do feel more comfortable in the gaming chair. I couldn't get as comfortable in it. I thought the padding was a little bit too harsh. I got the leatherette version. Maybe I'm sure if I get the cloth version, I think it is a little bit softer. The positioning's okay, but the build quality when you move around in it, you can definitely feel that it doesn't feel quite as well built as the Herman Miller or maybe even the gaming chair. So that's something to watch out for. I know that Markus is a really popular chair because, it's well under $300. It looks really cool. But the build quality it's good, but it's not great. If the Herman Miller Aeron was comfortable for me, I would definitely use that. But in lieu of that, I really think the gaming chairs aren't that bad. There are a bunch of chairs in this price bracket. You could head over to your local micro center if you have one. They usually have these chairs on display so you can actually sit down and see how it works with your body because everybody's different. What works for me may not necessarily work for you, but there is sort of a standard of quality and appreciation that's going to come from certain chairs, be it a gaming chair or an office chair. I mean, you could even go down to your local Staples or something like that and just sit around and try, to see which other chair is comfortable. Of course, the gamer aesthetic of some gaming chairs, it attracts a lot of us, me included, because it just looks cool. It kind of fits in with a cool battle station build. So I don't fault anybody for getting a gaming chair. But if you do, just make sure to do your research, find the one that's the best quality, a reasonable price, and just don't buy something because it's, a famous YouTuber or a streamer has it. Because those, a lot of times, it's just sort of the name and the quality doesn't really reflect in what you're paying. So if you do a little research, I don't think there's anything wrong with a gaming chair. And if a nice office chair like the Herman Miller you can get for a decent price used, and it fits your body and you're very comfortable, or even one of the more high-end Herman Miller chairs or any of the other task chairs that are sort of very famous, if that's in your budget, that's going to be even better if it fits you and you feel comfortable in it. But it's very important to have a good chair. And of course, you could never throw away the idea of having a standing desk, which is actually a lot of times healthier for us. But you're not going to want to game for hours and hours standing up. It's nice to be able to sit down on a nice chair, be it an office or gaming chair, lean back and enjoy everything. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick tip video on gaming chairs and office chairs. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, as well as which chair you're using now. And remember to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.